Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to carve triangle in Photoshop step by step. Apply for many ways. Step 1. Create a new layer. Right click Polygon Tool, Sides 3. Click on the gear icon, smooth starts indent by 1%. Press enter. Then draw anywhere, carve and apply step 2. Again create a new layer. Sides 3, press enter. Then draw. Go to window, find properties, feather. Okay, and apply step 3. Again create a new layer, apply the same process. Use right click on your mouse, path selection tool or direct selection tool. Move anywhere. Or again apply the same process. Press Ctrl T on your keyboard, right click on your mouse or use manually work. Customs, see this many customs work. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.